Hello guys and welcome. In this video again we are going to look at scenario B. In scenario A we really explained much in the previous video. So in this video I'm just going to give you how I did in scenario B. Now in scenario B here my target goal was 200 tasks and I did not have any tasks remaining. Then my mood, you can see the mood of my workers or the mood of the team. Then in terms of cumulative cost, I was over budget, but in terms of scheduling, I was ahead of schedule. Then in terms of, so let's look in terms of project progress. My unfinished tasks was 17 tasks unfinished, then 17 tasks were completed. I did not have any problems in this scenario. Then you can see that this is just a graphical representation of the tasks completed and the problems discovered. Then again, in terms of resources, my team size was 6. The cost, my weekly cost was 4,725. And my team process, you can see that the mood was, the team mood was, I can say, happy. Then in terms of the time spent on activities, the total hours spent was 35 on the tasks. Then in terms of one-on-one coaching was 4 hours. Then in terms of the status review was 10 hours. Then I can come and look at my stress level. You can see how the stress and the mood of my team. So it was slightly medium. Then in terms of management targets for week 16, here we have the estimated completion was 17. And again, in terms of budgeting, I was over budget, but ahead of schedule. And this was my first attempt. I believe that by playing these other attempts, I'll get more points. Now, in terms of what I did is that if you look at the week 1, it was I had the recommendation of not having this high volume of meetings because it will interfere with my team's ability to get through our weekly workload. Then in week 5, I really experienced some competitive issues because my workers were trying to leave, like they were being pushed from my rival farm, and I had a lot of workers departing from the project, and this really impacted other projects as the Delphi, and the HR recommended that it will be at least 3 weeks before I'm able to bring anybody new into the board. So what I basically did is that I tried to get these skilled people that so as to compensate on the amount of time and the amount of workload that was being carried, because most of my workers really left, and I wanted to get the best of those who are remaining. So in this round, in this scenario, you see that I managed to get 676 out of 1000.